Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 of the course here. I got my scenery up, which is a little bit different this week because of the deal going on with the hockey, the Blues. So I don't know if they won or I did this on Saturday, so I don't know the outcome of Sunday's game, if you're familiar with the hockey or anything. But anyway, back when this is the 6-year-old, back when he was 2, birthday party. The place where we're doing our party, I had Louis, the mascot for the Blues, happened to show up. So that's how we lucked out there. So anyway, with the theme of the Blues hockey going on this week, I got this here, but it's also connecting this to my little motivation thought this week is about commitment. Hockey players, sports players are very committed to what they do, just like students are supposed to be very committed to their schoolwork, getting in there every day, getting things in on time, and so forth. So that's why I'm on this commitment thing this week, and part of it is because um, well, let me back up here. I'll just the commitment thing, staying loyal to what you said you were going to do after that mood hit you. It said after the mood left you, you signed up, you're going to do it, all fired up and everything. But then, something along the way happens. Motivation is what gets you started. You're all motivated to get started, and then commitment keeps you where you're going. So this particular class is very unusual because there's, several of you, which is kind of high normally. Normally, there might be a student that might fall behind, but in our case here, those of you that are in there are doing great, but then there's several of you that are not. You're just, not getting in here every day or not getting things in on time and so forth. So that's why, I'm talking about, you have to stay committed to what you're doing. School, you've heard me say it before, school is part of your daily life. It's not something extra you do once a week or every week and a half or something. It's like the coffee, or if you're a parent and you got kids, it ain't something you do once in a while. So you need to stay committed, and so that you notice material too. The other thing is you're paying for college, you're getting a degree, you plan on you're probably going to work in something where you use that degree, and you shouldn't cheat yourself by not knowing what the understanding the material. You may not be an expert in it, but you need to understand it. Um, but anyway, so there's that. Into the course real quick. Those of you that are in there, doing good. Again, there's a few of you that need to get in here and get caught up, with the discussions, the quizzes, and the homework. So the homework format's pretty much the same. Don't forget you got your research project due in week 4. So here, here's the information. Again, if you have any questions, like I've mentioned before, I'm a 7-day week person. So also on your final exam here, you need to pay attention to the quizzes each week, because most of that's probably going to be on the same questions on the final. If you do come across something that you think, oh, this ain't right, sometimes these quiz banks have errors in them, or they get little glitches and stuff, and it causes the wrong answers to show up. So if you think there's something like that, let me know. But otherwise, I'm going to cut this real short here, um, and just wish everybody a good week. I'll show you my test question, totally different since I always showed you a grandkid. I'll show you something else back in my day in the Army. This is me over here, so you can kind of let me know, hey, what's going on here or what this is about. So other than that, again, I will let you go. Have a great week. And again, 7 days a week, so if you need anything, get in touch. All right, everybody, take care. Have a good week.